Yeah, dirty pot.
Yeah. That means that when time ready to score it.
Jamaican breakfast. Yeah, at the 5-star backyard.
Style, you know? Forget the fork.
And we have to eat the food.
All right. Yes, YouTube family, good morning, morning. Camera Daddy here. We are in St. Mary again. Me, Uncle Murphy. Auntie Deb's not here today. So I'm here with Allan and Corey.
Yes.
Uncle Murphy as usual.
Pick up on yourself. Pick up on yourself.
Blessed. Yeah man. Oh, Allan.
Yeah.
Hold on. Good. Yes, Allan. There's a lady on YouTube who very much interested in what is going on in St. Mary, right?
Yeah.
So she promised that she would help or do something, you know, for all of you guys.
Yeah.
So what she has done is send some money and buy a blender because she see the need for blenders. You guys do a lot of juice and drink juice and what have you. So, you know, she buy that and said, Allan, shoot for Allan, you know. Because you is the juice man who do all the mixing and what have you.
Blending.
Understand? The blending, the mixing, everything.
Yeah.
Good. So our name is Allan. So what would you like to say to Allan now?
So Allan, I appreciate this blender. And I'm glad for it. And St. Mary there. I would like to see you in St. Mary too, one at a time. To come and get some drinks out of this blender, see you later. So, I'm more love every time and respect.
Good.
Yeah.
Corey?
Yes, one love again. I would like to give one money and many amount of thanks for what she have done for the group of us, and may the blessing of God stay with her, and our little hand basket will ever flourish and flow. One love, peace and harmony. Yeah.
Pick up on yourself. YouTube family. Here, you know. So let's give thanks.
Yeah, give thanks.
Respect.
Yeah, man.
More love.
So Allan, what I want you to do now is unbox it at you know, take it out of the box. Everybody can see. You know, tear it off and take it out. Alright, take out the other part now. Yeah. Put on the top. Yeah, man. Remember, you are the man behind it, you know.
Yeah.
So, where you say now? Whole heap of juice. What kind of juice you have right now? Where you know?
Well, we have pine soon ready. And we have a look guava and them thing there. And we have star fruit. It's supposed you can get some star fruit around. Can see some lump on the road there.
Guinea juice. Nice.
We have some liquor plum.
Yeah.
Some liquor plum. Them juice nice. But them doing star right.
You see right now, the ladies them want here, you know, what kind of juice them can get when them come because you know.
have whole heap of juice, man. Whole heap of juice. Whole heap of
Natural juice, no, nothing, no concentrated
No,
with this. Natural.
No, natural.
Natural.
David. Natural.
When them come, they will see what we are doing with their two eyes.
Natural.
Straight thing.
Good.
Try look them up.
And the other thing is now, Allan,
Yeah.
there is some lady on YouTube who advise out for you, you know.
Okay.
Advice, so boy, we don't know what we're going to do, whether we have to go put you up for bidding or raffle. We don't know. What you have to say to them, Allan?
Well, what me have to say, you know, anything or anything.
Anything or anything.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah, ready for the test.
You ready for the test?
Yeah.
Are you sure you can pass the test there?
Yeah, man.
Look in the camera, man,
Yeah,
tell
man.
them, say, yes, you
Yeah,
can
man,
pass
we
the
can
test.
pass any test.
Any test. You're not afraid of nothing.
No, so we're not back. I'm on
You-
the name, you know.
That them want to hear.
Yeah, man, lion. You know, rolling lion.
Rolling lion.
With a back from nothing.
Nothing at all.
Yeah.